Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Moon. Today I just wanna share with you all my opinion on the technology integrated teaching method. In the modern era, technology has become the world driving force. We always heard about the IR 4.0. Now, even the IR 5.0 is around the corner. The Industrial Revolution marked a significant turning point in history. While it primarily revolutionized the industry and economy, his influence extended to various sectors, including the education nowadays. It's time for us to integrate the technology in our teaching and learning process to create an interactive and productive learning environment. But here we only focus on the interactive online quizzes through the various online platforms. I think each university has their own learning management system, we call this LMS, that include the quiz building capability that allow the educator to use within their course environment. We also can use the external tools such as you can see, we have the Kahoot, we have the Quizlet, we also have the Google Form, Microsoft Form, and more and more. In transforming learning with the interactive online quizzes, there are 4 key components. First is the quiz creation. Second is the online delivery. Third one is the intermediate feedback, and the data assessment as the 4th component. Prior to quiz creation, I will start by defining the clear learning objective and outcome. Determine what I want students to know, to understand, or able to do from the quiz. This quiz can include multiple choice question, true or false question, and so on. The next is to how to deliver the quizzes. Identify the technology tools and resources is quite important in this step. We need to consider our own specific teaching needs, the feature required, the level of customization, and whether how integrate with our existing teaching tools. The most important is to make sure our students can easily access and complete the quizzes on their device. We have the smartphone, tablet, or even iPad at any time and anywhere. Besides it is important to ensure the scoring and result of the quiz are presented in a real-time accessible format, so that it allows the student to immediately understand their performance. Based on their performance, immediate feedback can be given to them in various forms in terms of the verbal, visual, and written type. For the last step, as an instructor, we need to maintain the record of the assessment result as well as the student feedback. This updated data is very important for us to adjust our existing teaching approach. Now I will go to the benefit of using the interactive online quizzes. When the quiz is used strategically, they can definitely contribute to improved learning outcome and student engagement. Because the interactive nature of the online quiz can increase the student motivation to participate. It also can promote the active learning, fostering the student critical thinking and problem-solving skill. To make the quiz more enjoyable, of course, it's important for the instructor to recognize the student participation in terms of reward and other non-verbal form. Next, the benefit is the self-assessment for both the instructor and the student. The quizzes enable the student to track their own progress and identify the area where they need to do the improvement. At the same time, the feedback gathered from the student can help the instructor to better understanding the effectiveness of the technology integration. From there, the instructor can adjust the teaching to the specific need of their student. Last but not least, the online quizzes prepare the student for the digital assessment, a common format in higher education and the workplace nowadays. The instructor themselves can also stay updated on the advancement in educational technology so that they can collaborate with other colleges on sharing the successful technology integration strategy and the resource. In conclusion, interactive online quizzes can be a valuable technology integrated teaching method in a modern classroom. It offers a dynamic way to enhance the learning experience both within and beyond the classroom. In the magic realm of the interactive online quizzes, learning is not a passive spell, it's an active enchanted. It's not only the memorization, it's about the understanding. It's not about the waiting, it's about the immediacy. As educators, we have the power to make our teaching journey more engaging, more interactive, and more enchanted. Let us embrace the magic of technology in the education and embark on a lifelong adventure of the knowledge, one quiz at a time. Thank you all.